evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Next one, which is Property Management Firm of the Year. And Agata, if you'll read the short list.
We have 3 nominees: CBRE, Service Management Services, and Cushman Wakefield.
And Property Management Firm of the Year is this year sponsored by New Work. And from New Work, the CEO, Hubert Abt. A few words from you.
Hubert, great to see you. Welcome to the show.
Good evening. I'm Hubert Abt, CEO and founder of New Work Offices. We are happy to sponsor the award for the Property Manager of the Year on this year's SCE Awards in Bucharest. Hope to see you in person next year again. Take care in the post-corona times and stay healthy. Bye.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
So excited about these awards. Okay, so moving in, and now we're going to go on to see who's winning this award, right? And for Property Management Firm of the Year, Cushman Wakefield Forton.
Bravo, Cushman and Wakefield Forton. And I believe we have live from Romania, Antonia Maximova.
Oh, Antonia.
Antonia, are you there? Can you hear us?
We will see if we...
Hi.
Oh yes, we can hear you.
Good evening, everyone. Actually, I'm live from Bulgaria.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can hear you, but I can't see you for some reason. We're missing you on our beautiful screen. It'll probably just take a few seconds to get you on up. So we're... Oh, there you are.
Here you are.
But click
Hello.
escape. Yeah, okay. Hey, welcome.
Hello. Okay, well, so I'm truly honored to receive this award on behalf of Forton. And this is a recognition for our hard work and for everything we've done through the year. So thank you again. And take care and good luck to all of the other contestants.
Well, congratulations again, and enjoy the rest of the evening, yeah?
Thank you.
Okay, and